You know, I get asked all the time, how do you guys answer the wants of nature when you're out there doing your field research? Sheldon has this ingenious system that he's come up with. I'm going to show you. He's got the shovel to dig your hole, and the toilet seat to go over the hole. And as an added bonus, the shovel acts as a toilet seat dispenser, toilet paper dispenser. And that's how we do it. So you just go out into the wilderness and find yourself a nice secluded area. You have to make sure that it is secluded. There's no door you can lock. It's just you and nature.